Oh, I got one. We're on. Want a fish. Doesn't look big. Not really fighting, I'm just dragging him. Nice little smallmouth. Nice little half-pound smallie. Good thing I got my pliers. Just a baby. Not what we're after. Definitely the species I'm after. But not the size that I'm after. Get these hooks out first. Dang, buddy. You're gonna let yourself off here in a second. I always get so nervous with these whopper ploppers. It's so easy to take a treble to the finger when a bass is going crazy like this. So I'm just gonna give him a second. Jeez, he's feisty. He does not want me to touch him. Sorry, buddy. Trying to get the hook out of your mouth. Nice little smallie. Nothing to write home about. Happy to catch a fish though. There he goes. Now let's go get his big brother. Just spooked something. Don't know what it was. Probably a carp, sucker. Wish it was a bass. Spooked him into biting. I see it. I think Todd is on. Todd has got one. He's on a fish. He is on a fish. He's on a huge fish, he said. You got a big one? Uh-oh, Todd is on a big fish. I'm gonna... It's a catfish. Wow. Todd just caught a big old channel cat using some sort of spinner bait, which is crazy, on the spoon. All right, looks like we got to make our way over there. I'll be back in a second, guys. It's gonna take a sec. Todd over here. There you go, that's better. All right. Todd got himself a nice little channel cat. What were we using? He said a spoon, spinner bait, something like that. Little combo action. Let me go ahead and release this guy. This nice crystal clear water. There he goes. A good old daytime catfish. Back to the depths. The hot is on again. So we're gonna go find out what he caught. Looks like another nice fish. This man is just killing it, putting me to shame. But hey, somebody's catching fish. We're all winning. Man, Todd is out here killing them today. Nice. Third nice channel catfish. Probably about all the same size, 4 or 5 pounds. Go ahead and let him go. Man, this water's clear. He's gone. And the craziest part about it all is, let's see, where's his lure at? This is what he's using. Just a cheap little spinner bait. $1 from Cabela's that I got. Crazy. Time to switch lures, huh? Oh! That's a bass, bro. That's a bass, bro. No way. On the cast that he's showing somebody else how to fucking fish with. What do you got here, brother? What do you got here, brother? Oh, it's a monster bass!
Dude, it's a monster
It's a
bass.
big old smallie.
A 5 pound, bro.
No way.
Dude, he's putting up a fight. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, that's a huge fish. Todd, that's a huge one. That's a big bass.
Monster.
Oh, no way. No way.
Do you have your scale?
Dude, no.
This is at least 5 pounds.
That's a huge smallmouth. Guys, that's insane. That is a whopper. Todd just got a whopper. Live action, baby. Be careful, he's gonna kick and he might hurt you. That whopper popper might get you.
You're right.
Holy shit, that was exciting. Sorry, guys. That's crazy. Right on video, right in front of me. This man Todd threw the pole out to show somebody else how to get it done, and he catches this PB smallie. That's probably about a 2.5 pounder right there. That's a football, bro. I'm gonna weigh him. We're gonna weigh him real quick, and we'll let him go. All right, we weighed him up. 2.5 pounds. 2 pounds 7 ounces. Close enough. Let's we're gonna go ahead and get a release on this beautiful fish. Nice. Got him on the whopper plopper. He's ready to go. That's beautiful, guys. Awesome. Oh, I got one. Oh yeah. Nice jumper. Oh, we got a jumper, guys. We got a jumper. Get him in. Not a big one, but it's a jumper. Better than the last one I caught. Let's get to shore. Dang, it sucks because my pliers are all the way down there. I forgot to put them in my pocket. See if I can just pull this one out. Oh, he's about to free himself. It's out of his mouth. It's stuck on his fin. I'm sure he's gonna get himself free right here. All right, little buddy, relax. I don't want to get whopper ploppered. You've been whopper ploppered already. No need for me to. Solid fish, guys. Little baby. Oh, this sucks. Not a bad one on the whopper plopper. Little guy. Go ahead and release him. Oh, he's biting down.